Dieudonné was not the only one in the history of France in other humorists challenging the establishment. Can we speak a little about Coluche?
Yeah, Coluche, his troubles began when he wanted to be candidate to be president for the presidency.
Fin 1981, la France se prépare à un duel Giscard-Mitterrand pour la présidentielle toute proche, quand un beau jour du mois d'octobre, un nouveau candidat veut entrer dans la danse.
Coluche a de plus en plus envie de se présenter à l'élection présidentielle.
Comme on a voté pendant 30 ans pour des gens compétents et intelligents, je propose aujourd'hui qu'on vote pour un imbécile qui n'y connaît rien, c'est-à-dire moi.
Une campagne pour tous ceux qui ne peuvent pas s'exprimer, une campagne qui inquiète le pouvoir en place, dira-t-on.
In a few days or in a month, he was all credited of 10 or 12%.
Une candidature qui recueillera jusqu'à 15% des intentions de vote, soit à l'époque bien plus que beaucoup de candidats qualifiés de sérieux.
It was fantastic because he showed how politics is a game in the hands of powerful people. And there were a lot of pressures on him, especially from the socialists. And even, well, some people say threats. I don't know, but and he gave up.
Malgré un mot d'ordre plus qu'explicite, Coluche se lassera des pressions, de certaines intimidations, voire de menaces physiques. Avril 81, Coluche mettra à sa façon un terme à l'aventure.
À partir du moment où ça m'a pu faire rire, évidemment, ça se gâte un peu, quoi.
He gave up after 1 month or 2 months, I don't remember. I heard, I read that there was some very, very big pressure on him. Because he really endangered, I mean, not only the left, but the system. The system is based on what? The credibility that you have the choice between A and B. But we are the same. Coluche has come and said, hey, you are fool to think that. I mean, it's just a joke. And, you know, even the right and even the left were furious because he just said something people don't want to be heard on TV on thing. Some people said you know, he was on a road. I don't know.
Tout de suite, je me suis posé la question. C'est improbable, ce camionneur, ce qu'il a fait, il nous a vus fatalement. Parce qu'il est placé haut, que c'est une ligne droite, et juste quand Michel arrive à son niveau, tac, la cabine fait ça devant lui et il peut pas l'éviter.
It was a mysterious death, but you know, in France, these things, we are not in the States. I mean, you can say a lot of things about the States, but when in the States we want to go into some affair, I think nothing can stop the inquiry. In France, it's impossible because the justice, the police, the administration, they depend on the system. You are a judge. If you make yourself a little bit independent, they will send you to you know, in a small tribunal in the mountain or something like that, and you will die over there. And